Here we are at the Chrysler 300 farm. Got them all. You feel me? What we're going to do today is change this coil pack or ignition coil with just a cheap one from Advanced Auto Parts. I got some misfires that are not triggering a check engine light just yet, but due to my auto fix diagnostic tool and key maker here, auto fix D1, I can read that we got some misses that are coming. All right. Cool little tool. So cylinder number 5 is the one that has the misfire. So by the way, for anybody who needs to know, this is bank 1, this is bank 2. So bank 1 is on the driver's side, bank 2 is on the passenger side. All right, so we have cylinder 1, cylinder 3, cylinder 5, cylinder 7, cylinder 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. All right. So originally there was the code was reading a misfire on cylinder 4, which would be this one. I swapped the coil pack and the spark plugs to cylinder 3. Okay. After that, I said, well, which one was it? The spark plugs or the coil pack? So then I switched the coil pack to cylinder 5. And at which point the misses moved to cylinder 5. So that told me that we have a bad coil pack. So what I'm gonna do, because I probably won't be able to record while I'm working, I know I won't. So this right here is cylinder 5, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. All right, with my ratchet set. Unplug it from here, pull that off and swap it. And I'm gonna see if the mist went away, which it should. Got my ratchet set right here. Like I say, I probably won't be able to hold it while I do it. After I get that misfire situation straight, I'm going to be programming a new key, which I ordered some cool stuff off of Temu. You dig? So that's a little case for the key. All right, so we got the actual key. This is a Fabric Smart Key with the chip inside. All right, so one thing at a time, ladies and gents. Let's get it.